Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Sunday. Danny Boy is cooking his own breakfast. He's cooking egg in a hole. Eggs in holes. Kami ay magle-leftover munggo kasi ang sarap ng munggo at saka meron pa lang natirang pork belly na prinito ni Michelle. So we will have that. Gusto ko mag-Vietnamese coffee. Kaya lang walang bibili sa akin. They will open at 11. Yeah. How's it, my love?
Good.
That looks good. Nakabihis na ako, guys. Bibili na sana ako ng Vietnamese coffee. Sabi ni Dan, maghintay ka lang dyan. Ako na bibili.
Ah, siya na lang din mo palit?
Siya na lang bibili.
Ang bitawan ang ito sa ate.
Yeah, nagkabag na sana ako kanina. Alis na sana ako. Leftover munggo. Ay, ang init na ha. Malapit 11 something na eh.
11:30 naman din.
11:30 na?
11:30. Yan naman. Kape.
Where's my coffee?
Isa lang kaya akong tulog.
Yeah?
That's good. Medyo ko dream na ambot asa ta atong buhat pero nagmotor ko ikay sakay.
Finish! Okay! Finish!
Bawa lang kinig yung duha asa ka.
Niya mo rin tinuod na.
Murag tinuod. Alis ate ikaw nag-drive. Pagtan ulo ko ba, ano mo nang dolo niya, kung mo dyan kayo mo, kung dyan drive nila. Sakay sa si ate, ambot. Ay! Magunong kami dati kaya nang gamay nito kagalan ba? Sama to eh. Kaya nga ito ay mga dream eh.
Chill.
Takitim to ko dahi.
Okay?
Chill.
Oh! Dito mo 3? 1.
Free.
Again. 1.
Chill. Free.
Ah, yay! 4.
5. 8.
What are you eating? What are you eating?
By eating.
What are you eating?
Like
Dinosaur?
no.
Dragon seed.
Asa is in the airline na
No.
Gidanda.
I like.
Did you eat nuts?
No. No. T-Rex.
T-Rex. What's Tita's name? What's her name? Dragon.
No.
What's
my
Tita's
name, boy?
name? What's Tita's name?
Oh, there's a feet.
Dinosaur feet? Cute-cute niya kumakain siya din. Dinosaur.
T-Rex.
Dragon seed.
Dinosaur seed naman eh. Yawan na.
1.
Wee, Bobby.
Go eat that. You can eat that.
That.
Yeah.
Nakatapos na namin kumain ng
Yummy?
munggo leftover kagabi.
Yummy. What do you say to Tita?
Yeah.
Okay, boy. Kani dili kita mais kani.
Good chewing, alo. Di kayo?
Di ka
Kana nga sliced eh.
Dahan-dahan ako kasi si Dan kakaalis lang. Nag-shower pa. Kape ko.
Ako nag-smile ka ba? Kabawdi siya ba? Donation ba?
Pagbaba niya, ang laki ng smile. Presko na. Bagong ligo na. Buan. Kape ko. Is Daddy funny, alo?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Kung ako umalis, kanina pa ako nakarating. Ubos na yung kape ko. Danny boy natin.
I like.
Salig mo ba gagawin?
11:45 na. Happy boy! Happy! Do you wanna go to the playground today? Hello?
You want to go to the playground, boy?
Go on the swing? Tita Michelle will take you to the swing! Hello? Hello? Hello?
Lagi, gidyo, nandun matangtang. Alas 3 niya mong ulit.
Thank you, sir.
I had to get petrol.
Did you really? Tagal-tagal.
Vietnamese coffee, thank you.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Daddy. Apat yung binili niya. Kumuha na siya isa. Aking pinakamarami. Pinandahan ko talaga. Oh, kasi ask ate. Ate? Go ask ate for your raptor. Woo! Thank you, daddy. Thank you, babe. Next Sunday again, okay?
But earlier next Sunday, Te?
Earlier. I'll have the kids wake you up. 10:30.
Initan na yung mag-aamay.
Kuan man sad good? 11 man ma-open.
Initan na to.
Ay, Roy.
Kaunang bugno yung ato.
Gulong gid ko ta.
Ano kay para? 11 man sad sila mag-open. So, yun.
What the line?
Let's go! Same color tayo, sis. Lamig na din.
Kaya. Mahuma. This is our outfit for today. Same color scheme.
Punta kami Asian shop. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, it's raining.
Oh, I like color of...
Dito na kami sa Parafield Plaza, ha? Coin di ay. Lo, sige lang, dito na lang. Tapos bag. Anong tayo bag? Wala ko gadag coin ay. Meron silang malaking ano. May malaki doon na cracklings. Tsaka V-cut. Kamo. Dalunihin nyo ha. Anaara? Ang sarap ng ano eh. Yung ansa to. Ansa kayo na yung known nga utap na brand?
Kunching.
Dili. Kunching. Pataka-taka na ba siya? Hala, dara oh. Sunflower seeds, miss. Mauni ang katong naa 7-Eleven?
Ay, dili.
Pero naamang gihapon siya kuan.
Anong abli na daan dito?
Ang hilig ni Arlo dito eh. Kaya lang, hindi tayo nakakakain.
Mabuang lang ang pilan.
Ano bring handa? Anti pero na yung mga laway.
Ay na lang, naapaday ko dito. Dito na kami sa mga frozen goods. Lumabas pa ako kasi kumuha ng pram kasi siya daw ay sleepy. I'm looking for turon. Tagal ko na hinahanap yung turon na yan. Hindi ko mahanap-hanap. Yung gawa na turon. Ayan, baka dito meron. Ay, mga meat na. Hi, hotdog di ay! Yes. Argentina. Unsa to'y lami? Ooh. Girl. I want the big one, guys. Yay, they have it. Oh.
How much?
It's 25.
Dito na tayo sa chips aisle. Alam mo, nasa lista ko yung pang ano ng Vietnamese coffee. Hindi ko alam kung meron sila dito. Yung parang strainer ng coffee ba, para legit Vietnamese coffee talaga. Hala, lami biya ni oy. Ito masarap to guys oy. Ito din, miss. Oh, wait, rabbit. Yung nakakain yung ano ba? Yeah, this is good. Ang wrapper, yeah. Kakasabi ko lang guys, andyan ay. Yan ba yun, day?
I don't know.
O, paabot. Pagamit naman ang height mo.
Coffee Viet. What's that, Te?
Yeah, mo nang naisip ano sa gilid, no? Dapat ganito itsura ba? Yeah, ano na. Ayan, oh. Yan ba yun, day?
Filter, yeah.
Princess, can I sit
Mani?
on your lap?
Yeah, mauna. Walang fish cracker. Yun yung masarap yung fish cracker. Wala, guys. Nakabili ako ng mga pang Vietnamese coffee ko. Ako na talaga. Dito na kami sa dulo. Patapos na kami, guys. Ay, hala, mga sa... Ay, skinol, miss. Oh, ang imuhang favorite skincare. Likas papaya. Oh. Tapos na kami, guys. Naka-check out na kami. Tapos meron na siya nakitang ball machine na naman. Bumalik kami sa car para kumuha ng coins. Kasi wala akong dalang coins kanina. Choose the good one. Hello Kitty. This one. Hello Kitty and Friends. This one. Yeah, but we don't know if we're gonna get that one. Look. See, they've got nice ones. You get these characters or that? What if you get the ones that you don't like?
I like fun. Mom, we got other ones.
Yeah, what if you get this? We don't even know what that is. Sige na. Just these ones here.
Tiger and this tiger.
Okay, here. Do you know how to do it?
That tiger.
Here, money.
There.
Hopefully it doesn't eat it, no? Sige daw. Sige. And then, galing-galing na niya sa ganito. Oh. Si Daddy kasi. Keep going. Keep going.
Can you help me?
Of course I can. Ah! Oh my God! Oh my God! She got Hello Kitty! Alright, let's open in the car. How lucky!
So I'll open it now.
Oh my gosh, you're lucky. You got Hello Kitty. That is so cute. Can I see? Oh my gosh, that is so cute.
Help me open it
Of course I can help you open.
now.
That is so cool. Back in the car. Gonna have some drinks again. Ayos lang pala.
You're hungry.
You're hungry? What do you want to eat?
Mommy have it in the
Here,
car.
Peach.
What do we have in the car?
There you go.
Lollipop.
Thank you, Ate.
No, there's no lollipop. We have chips, baby.
Chips, yes.
Bahay na kami, guys. Nagva-vacuum si Dan. Nagpunta kami ng Parafield. Maganda dun. Ang daming ano. Ang layo nga lang dun sa amin. Magluluto si Michelle ng roasted pork. So, bumili siya niyan. Ito. Pork cubes. Naghanap siya ng pork cubes. Kapon, wala akong pork cubes. I got kimchi. Chocolate. And bumili ako ng coconut cream dalawa at saka coconut milk dalawa. Kuya Arlo. Sit down, what? Kasi baka maglaing ako one day. Laing. Meron akong ano dun eh. Taro leaves. And then here. Masarap to eh. Ako ilahi ang inyong gamiton. Wait, wait, count ka?
Mommy, can we eat this?
Yeah, just wait. And then, bumili ako isang ampalaya at saka isang
And
talong.
this one too.
Sa'yo to, Miss, piatos.
Wala to.
Ito, nakain na yung iba niyan.
Holy.
Ito, akin to.
Ito ko ni.
Ay,
Ito na mo. Ito
chestnut. Chestnut. Lamay naman, nasa kuan, di ba? Katulad mo sa gawas sa ilalala. Tira mo? Kamansi rin ang kamansi.
Ako chestnut.
Condensed milk. Vietnamese condensed milk, masiguro yan. And then yung ito, oh. Yung sa Vietnamese coffee na may ganyan. Tsaka ito din tong Vietnamese coffee. And miswa. Tig-isa kami. Oh.
Mommy, can we have
What?
Chocolate?
Yeah.
What happened to
Ito
your
na yun?
face?
Asan na
Did
yun?
you
Saan?
scratch your face?
Can you grab the bag for you na lock, please? It's heavy.
Ka.
Ano din sila, nag-grocery shopping pero put away na niya yung kanya. Kasama niya si Arlo.
But why?
Ito yung, napunta pa pala kami ng Coles at saka Woolies. Ito na lang yung natira. Ito yung diniinda yan. Hindi ka? More coffee. Open it? Ay, ito. Sa Coles galing. Open string. Gamitin mo. Butter. Ito. Ito lang yung hotdog meron dun. Mas maganda yung sa ano, Costco. Mas marami, mas mura. I got this as well. And then ito, masarap to guys. Watermelon with aloe na drink. And ayun na yung pork belly. Pork belly. Mochi! Ice cream. Saan ba to dapat may sa freezer?
Fridge.
Fridge? Freezer. And so good. I got my turon pala.
Mura suka sa padung.
Ano to? Si Bulichon to, day?
Delayed niya.
Yummers!
Sibuchon.
Kalami na ba yan eh? So yan, at saka ano, garlic shrimp yung ulam natin today. Tonight. Let me know how big. Ready?
Kenapa? Kung gusto ka mamabanta?
This big or bigger? Bigger? This big? Are you sure? This big? Yes? Ayla? This big? This one?
Sa pagkadalis sa
Or bigger? You tell me later. Bumili din pala kami ng drinks na ano.
Way mas taas.
Oh, Brazil na.
Ang sana mo, mamis?
Ha? Green grape. Lami na siya. Lami na
Tikim.
siya. Uy, grabe na po. Ayaw sa siguro pala sa itong utang na.
Want some?
Take para
How big? Let me know how big.
Na.
Bigger? 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 Yes, please. Bigger?
Tagabukoy.
Bigger?
No.
This big? Wait, mommy type.
This one.
Yay! Imo ada ang flavor mo ha?
Ano te? Peach iced tea.
Peach. Lami po. Watermelon yun. Na ano na, nabinyagan na ang cook na. Is this mine?
Yeah.
Thank you. Tapos na sila magluto, guys. Oh. Sila. Si Michelle lang pala. Tumulong ka ba? Ay, moral support yung ano niya. Shrimp.
Uy,
Oh.
naagyo ko diri. Moral support ito.
Atang din sa siyang kuwan.
Tangyo ko ha.
You save.
Looks good. Garlic shrimp. Yan, gusto yun ni Dan.
Bawa ka ni.
Pork belly.
Isa ka ate.
Prako ka siya, Day.
Aura.
Yeah. I can hear it.
Sorry, nakasama siya dito.
Aww. Sarap, oh. Ayoko lang ng prawns, pero ang sarap-sarap, oh. Yung sauce, kainin ko yung prawns. Try ko siguro. Nice. Ito yun, oy. Oh, very juicy, oh. Nami.
What?
It's good in there.
Ano lang sa niya? Ano lang
Yeah.
ano? Hiwaan na.
Ikaw, hiwaan na lang. Good job ka, Indada.
Sure, sayang.
Oh.
Ilang forma ko ba?
Ay, sharp naman yan. Thank you, madam.
Ako ko ano.
Looks good, sis.
It's really good.
Yeah, look at that, guys. Bongga-bongga naman. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Day. Ito, ang bango, oh. Ang bango ng shrimp. Ayan. Gumawa pa siya ng sauce.
Wala yung phone.
Nakaupo mo lang. Basta na ng isa.
Bisa balik ka din. Everyone attacks. Thank you.
Get the sauce, my love. Looks good.
Where are the prawns from?
Woolies.
Because the deli's already closed, there's no more fresh ones. And it's only 4:30.
Yeah, they started packing up already. We got there. That was before 4:30 even.
You can start packing up. They're already packed up.
Yeah. Grab more, huh?
Yeah. How often do you guys cook like this? Like, I know you don't do it anymore, like since you're in Australia, but in New Zealand, did you?
Well, I think maybe once every 2 weeks
Okay.
because we'd like to get together every now and then.
Yeah.
Sana all. A good old ketchup. Oh, she made a sauce as well, yeah. Hala, it might be spicy.
Not
Not really? Okay. Which one did you try? That's really good. Ang sabi mo na
This one.
Yeah.
Oh,
Very juicy ng pork.
your sister.
You got fresh rice?
Yeah. The pork's really good.
Yeah? Oh, the pork's really good then.
Habang naman.
Ay, pag maligya ka rin aning. Maligya. I told her you should sell this.
Crunchier than Isla's cracklings.
I'm a cracking.
Ano yun? Cracklings. Cracklings.
Oh, yeah. Good. Uy.
Lagi.
That's really good. Malab, Sissy helped. She tied the fork.
I was actually wondering if Sissy can cook or not. Was it Michelle?
Michelle.
Michelle.
The pork is soft too. Yeah, really soft and juicy. Marami siyang lechon.
I think the pork's the star. The pork's the star.
Wow. The pork is the star.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple blossom.
Rice, alo?
Alright.
Oh, rice. Okay. Oh, sit there.
Sit down here, Alex. Sit there, sit there.
Sit there. Closer to daddy so we can feed you. I'll feed you. Can you swap seats? I'll feed you.
No, that's alright. Just...
Yeah.
You wait.
You want spoon?
Want Daddy to feed you?
Blow many times. Good boy. I'll get him spoon.
Yummy? Oop. Uh-oh.
Oh, other side.
Other side.
Go behind the couch. Ang galing niya mag-throw eh. Go throw to Dada.
All these fries are so good before you start watching it. Like, they were seriously really good.
Yeah. Okay, again, Alo. Throw. Go throw to Daddy. Oh, good throw, mate.
Quick. From there.
Oh. Ups. Oh no! Right. Good job, mate. Oh, go get it. Oh. That was funny. Go throw to Daddy. Oh. Look at him. He's so cute. Oh. Go get it. Hello's face.